In this video, I want to show you how to clear a paper jam on your Canon MAXIFY MB2720. Usually when you get a paper jam, you're gonna get a message on the screen. Okay, so what you need to do next is to find where the error is coming from. A paper jam can be located in many different places, so let's start with the first one you need to check. Open this door and go ahead and take a look deep inside of the printer. If you see any paper that is jammed, or maybe debris of a paper, stuff that may block the ink carriage to move across, well, go ahead with your fingers or with some tweezers, it's easier I think, and simply extract the paper or whatever is blocking there. If you don't see anything wrong over here, let's go to our second spot. It's to check the paper input. So go ahead and remove each of these two drawers. And again, take a look inside of the printer, but through this area. Sometimes when the paper gets sucked in the printer, it can jam where the rollers are. So go ahead, remove anything that is wrong if you see something jammed there. If you still didn't find your paper jam, we need to go on the back of this printer. So this is the back of the printer and we need to remove this panel. You don't need any tools. You see there's an arrow right over here. Simply take this plastic part, okay, pinch it and simply push it towards the left side and then pull towards yourself. It will open this compartment and now we have an even better view of the internals. Usually the paper should be stuck around these rollers, so maybe it's folded or maybe it wasn't input properly. Go ahead, remove any debris and close back this lid simply by pushing it. Once your paper jam has been cleared, you may have to go on the screen and press OK or just validate that you have removed the stuck paper. After a few seconds, after pressing OK on the screen, the printer should work again and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.